Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the Forex chart of DXY US dollar index, and as expected, there was not much movement volatility on the market yesterday because of the holiday, and let's hope for some volatility, some movement today so that we can get some good trades. If we look at the chart of DXY, we can see that dollar index, okay, after some retracement tried to go up again, but we discussed yesterday that DXY is bullish both fundamentally and technically. So DXY going towards a resistance is not a big thing. And hopefully within this week, DXY will be able to break this resistance and form a new high. In case DXY comes down, also keep in mind this will be just a retracement. Trend reversal is a different chapter. That's a different thing. We need a backing of fundamental factors news, which we don't have right now. If you look at the economic calendar, you can see today we don't have any news. So we can expect that more or less the technicals will dominate the market. So this is all about DXY, not only in gold. Okay, the movement of DXY, okay, is very important for you as a Forex trader so that you can plan your trades accordingly. Whether you trade on Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, USD, it doesn't matter. The important levels of DXY is very important. So if DXY comes for retracement, then we can expect that the first support will be around 103.50 and then 103.00 if DXY goes for some deeper retracement. And right now we have resistance around 104.50. If DXY breaks this level, it will head towards 104.80. Why 104.80? Let me show you. Okay, you can see 104.8070 is the previous resistance here. So obviously DXY will be marching towards this level. But at first it needs to cross the previous high around 104.50. Overall, the market is an uptrend, so be careful. Let's talk about a chart of gold. So yesterday when I was recording the video, gold was somewhere around here, and today you can see that gold is standing here. Okay, so my god, the market was so boring yesterday. I could not place a single trade. My dear friends, one thing I would like to remind you is that, see, I know it very well that we are mostly day traders. Okay, as a day trader, obviously we look for trading opportunities each and every day, but as a day trader, okay, it doesn't mean that you'll have to take position each and every day. Never forget, a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. There's a very thin line between a trader and a gambler. Sometimes we don't even know, but we are gambling with our capital, with our hard-earned money. So please be careful. The overall levels on the chart of gold has not changed at all. 1925, 1926. In the 1925, 1926 still seems to be the best support on the chart of gold because we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and we can see how beautifully market is respecting FIBO here. And FIBO 38.2 is a better level, and obviously we have higher expectations from 1925 1926 level. And moreover, we also have previous resistance working as support here. So if we combine both the factors, the 1925-26 seems to be the best support on the chart of gold right now. And if you look at the contracts data, you can see that around 1920, not around, actually at 1925, okay, we can see that additional contracts means you can see positive open interest around 1925 level. So it gives us the additional confidence to us that 1925 should work as a good support or bounce. To be honest, I have placed a buy limit around 1925.50. Okay. So 1925 is the first support. In case of a fall in the market, then we have 1920, 1919. Okay, let's see. At least we during the US session we can expect some volatility. But if we go to 15 minutes time frame, okay, if we go to 15 minutes time frame, we can see that more or less, yeah, the major level of 1925, 1920, they are same, but we also have a minor trading opportunity below 1934. Okay, personally I have not placed any sell stop at 1934, but I will look for it. because in case market drops below 1934 and dollar starts going up, there's a possibility that 19 a goal will be moving towards in 1930 1931 level. Day traders, scalpers, you can look for a quick scalping opportunity of 20 25 30 pips below 1934 level, but keep in mind this level is not this level. Okay, this turning opportunity, okay, is a little bit risky. Okay, so it depends on the volume and volatility. For example, if you see market going below 1934 in Asian session, we don't have much volume, isn't it? So it can be a false breakout as well. But why only 25 to 25 20 30 pips? Because on higher time frames we have some dynamic support levels, so that's why, okay, you need to be a little bit careful if you take a sell below 1934. Okay, so these are the only two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. If gold moves down, and right now gold is standing at FIBO 23.6% retracement level since yesterday. If you already have a buy position on gold, I'll say you can be on the trade, because there is the possibility that you will get to see a good bounce from here. Okay, to be honest, I don't know, okay, what will be the next direction of gold, because it is not possible for any human being to predict the market. But yes, we can, with the help of technical analysis and experience, we can try to find out levels where we have higher chance of winning. Okay, so these are the levels, okay, where you can trade. For example, okay, if gold move up, okay, around 1950 to 1955, okay, it's a sell zone for us. You can see here previous price rejection around this area, then here also we can see previous price rejection. So if gold starts going up, then around 1950 1955 we have a seller's zone. So if you see market reversing from there, no need to look at the market on 4 hours time frame. It will be very slow for confirmation. You can simply go to 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame. If you see market struggling around 1951 52 level, you can also look for a sell as well. But keep in mind, do not place any buy position between 1950 to 1955, because our technical analysis says that we have strong sellers present around this area. Okay, so 1950-55, if market reversal, we can look for a sell. And as I have already said in my previous videos also, that if gold breaks 1955 level, if gold breaks 1955 level, then we can go for a buy position, because the next immediate resistance is around 1965. There's a big gap. But right now the volatility is very low, so no point of talking about breakout above 1955, okay, and take a sell around 1965. Okay, that's a different thing right now. Let's see how the market reacts. Hopefully we'll get to see some movements by the US session. Again, I'll repeat, my dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers. So if you see that market is not moving properly, then you can take a break. Day traders are not gamblers, so you don't need to trade each and every day if the market is not right. Market is not going anywhere. Capital protection should be your first priority always. And my dear friends, thanks a ton for such an overwhelming response for the upcoming workshop, okay, which is starting from tomorrow. Thank you so much. Okay, and yes, there have been some questions, confusions. Probably I'll be releasing a video in the US session today, okay, so that I can answer all the doubts. Okay, anyways, thanks a lot. Bye bye, take care, and please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Okay, so bye bye, take care.